In order to complete this form, you must sign in. You will need to sign in with your Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, please create one. That will only take 2 minutes so that you can complete the form. By having a Gmail account and by signing in, it will allow you to edit your document if you make any mistakes and go back and make changes accordingly. And any changes that you make, you will find a copy of it will be sent to you. So let's go to fill out the form. So once you've created your email address, your email address will automatically be entered inside of here because you've been logged in. So click on here so that a copy will be sent to you every time you fill out the form. So please ensure that you have a copy. You're going to email a valid copy of your driver's passport, your driver's permit, or your passport or social security card, a copy of your business registration documents as certified by the registry, a copy of your food handler's permit, copy of proof of income in any form, copy of your bookkeeping, accounting, audited accounts, management accounts, copy of your recent tax returns if applicable, proof of purchase, sales for the last 3 months of operation, sample product. So you enter your name, hit tab, it will take you to the next item. Your middle name. It's always good to put a middle name to prevent persons from having the same name. B, enter your last name. Then your alias, what are you known as? Your gender, your date of birth, month 06/01/1963, your type of business, sole proprietor, cooperative, limited liability, or partnership, sole proprietor, your telephone number 1767-236-3333. Make sure you double check and it's correct. You won't need to enter your email address, but just put another one there just in case. You want to make sure that your information is paying. So you put none. Name of your registered business, the name of your business. How many years have you been in operation for? 11 years. How much revenue does your business make annually? Over $40,000. Which of these priority crops do you use for production? Kindly select all those that are applicable to you. So we use bay leaf and mango. Which of these priority root crops do you use? If you don't use it, so you can click here, or you can say not applicable because I don't use any of these. Next question, which of these priority horticulture crops do you use for production? Again, you can select no, or you can select one, you can select multiple. Question 16, which of these priority agroforestry crops do you use for production? Again, not applicable, or you can say yes for all, or if you don't have it, you can add the item in. Which of these priority vegetable crops do you use for your production? Same thing applies. You select the one as applicable to you. Which of these priority herbs do you use for production? You can say I don't, or you can select the ones that are applicable to you. Remember, because you logged in, it allows you to come back and make changes before the form is closed. So 16 again, you choose. 20, you choose the items that are applicable to you. Classification of products. I do food processing, I do condiments. You can select more than one. Where do you source your packaging material? I do it locally, or you can say self-made. What type of packaging do you use? Boxes, you can select more than one. It's totally up to you. And remember, you can always come back and make corrections. And you can also continue. So if you get tied up, you can save, you can go to the bottom, save it, and then come back to your form. Locally grown. What is the contact number for your suppliers? You can provide that information, or you could say none. Where do you operate from? I operate from my home. Are you willing to operate with a shared space? Yes or no? If you want to clear what you entered, you could say clear section and say no, or you could just click and it'll undo. Where do you sell your products? Wholesale, retail, hoping to do some online also. Where do you sell your produce? Supermarkets, restaurants. You can select whichever is applicable to you. What mechanism process do you have in place to ensure consistency? You have an operational manual that you use. Do you have labels? Yes, you have labels. Was your label approved by the Bureau of Standards? Well, no or yes. What does your labeling product need to make it brand ready? I need a barcode, I need product testing, I need proper packaging. So you can select all of these. How much income does your business make annually? I'd said 40 in that range, but it's actually 51,000. And then this is the important section. This is where you can select the various types of equipment, and your equipment selection should be based on the size of your business. So if you are a micro business, you should only select items that come to a total of $10,000. If you're a small business, not more than $20,000. And if you're a medium business, up to $40,000. That's based on the grant. And here you select the items that you require. Automatic plastic sealer bag. I need one of those. Vacuum sealer. I need one of these. A commercial fryer. I don't need that. I need an oil press. But again, be mindful of the cost, the total cost that you'll have to add up yourself. And you select all of the respective items that are applicable to your business, but within the range. Okay. So there's a very great list inside of here for persons to select. Again, once because you've logged in, you'll be able to go back in and make changes. Additional equipment required. You can enter additional information. Okay. Then you come down to the bottom. Do you require training? That's very important. Yes, I need training. I need advertising. I need branding. I need e-commerce to take myself to the next level. I want a mentor to help me to move my business forward. How did you find out about this project? I heard it on the radio. I heard Mrs. Grell, Mrs. Shillingford speaking about it. To express interest. This is to express interest in participating. Yes. And then you would have your files, a copy of your passport or ID that you have it all scanned already, and you will add it inside of here by adding the files. So save the files to your desktop, and then you would then browse and look for the file. So let's say the file was this file here. I will double click on it, and it will save the file. Try and put all of your files in one area so that you don't have that issue. Then you hit submit. Once you've hit submit, an email will come to you that will allow you to make changes. And when you come back to the form, this is what you will see: edit your response. So when you click edit your response, you can come back here and see all of the information that you had already entered. And again, you can make the changes. Oh, I forgot to add citrus. And then if I come down to the bottom, I hit submit. It'll again send you a copy to ensure that you know what you did was correct.